Hello and welcome to the DYOR-AKAY Academy. Today we are starting our brand new series on Introduction to English Grammar and Composition. This is lecture 1, and in this video we are going to answer a very important question. What exactly are grammar and composition, and why are they so important? Let's begin with grammar. Grammar is simply the set of rules that tell us how words should be used in a language. It is like the operating system of English. Without grammar, words will just be scattered everywhere and they won't make sense. For example, if I said, "Boy, the running fast is," it sounds wrong. But if I followed grammar rules and said, "The boy is running fast," it makes perfect sense. So, grammar organizes words into meaningful sentences. Now, what about composition? Composition goes a step further. It is the art of arranging sentences into paragraphs, essays, stories, or speeches. Think of it this way. Grammar helps you form correct sentences. It helps to form correct sentences. Now, composition helps you arrange those sentences in a logical and powerful way. For example, if you want to write an essay about your school, grammar will help you make correct sentences like, "My school is very big," but composition will teach you how to combine those sentences into a full paragraph. "My school is very big. It has many classrooms and a large library. The teachers are kind and the students are hardworking. I am proud to be a student there." So you can see the difference. Grammar, rules; composition, creativity. Together, they make communication clear, correct, and effective. Now, why should we study grammar and composition? Here are some reasons. 1. Clarity of expression. When you use grammar correctly, people will understand you better. 2. Confidence in communication. You will feel more confident speaking and writing when you know the rules. 3. Academic and professional sources. When it is writing an exam, an application letter, or research paper, good grammar and communication will give you an advantage. And 4. Everyday use. Even in text, messages, email, or conversations, grammar and compositions make you sound smart and clear. To summarize today's lecture, grammar is the foundation. It gives structure to your words. Composition is the building. It arranges your sentences into meaningful writing. Both are necessary for effective communication. In our next lecture, we will dive into the part of speech in English: nouns, pronouns, verb, adjectives, and more. These are the building blocks of grammar, so don't miss it. Thank you for watching the DYOR-AKAY Academy. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to continue learning with yours.